In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if Read Aloud is not working properly in Microsoft Edge. So Read Aloud is the thing that works if you have text on your screen and you want to hear the text. So you click on Read Aloud, then you hear it. Now, first thing you have to check if the speakers are working properly. So go ahead and click on the sound icon that you see here and make sure the sound is up and make sure the audio settings are turned up. Or you can just open up the search menu, type in settings, go ahead and open that up, and on the left side just go ahead, click on System, and on the right side go ahead, click on Sound. Make sure the speaker device that you're using is selected here. Go ahead and click on that, then scroll down. As you can see here, make sure your speaker is connected properly. And now you can go ahead, click on Test just to see if your speaker is working properly. And that's about it. That's how to fix Read Aloud is not working in Microsoft Edge. As always, thank you for watching.